Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Style. This vehicle features a 1.4 TSI petrol engine and also features an electrical hybrid motor working in tandem to produce a whopping 218 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in a lovely bright metallic paint colour, energetic orange. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of IQ Matrix LED headlamps as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below the vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch Dundrod alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window as well as featuring privacy glass. Helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll find a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, there is a sizable amount of storage space, and in the left hand side we'll find the button for the electric release of the Towbar. Taking a look inside the vehicle, right at the back of the vehicle we'll find a total of 3 seats. These are individual seats and there is 2 more in the middle area. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the Artweller's interior trim, and in the middle there is a folding table that provides cup holders as well as an extendable surface for the table. Up front in the driver's cab area we have some more of the Artweller's interior trim, 2 armrests for the front passenger as well as the driver's seat, and in the centre of the dash there is a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system houses all functions for the navigation, DAB radio, as well as allowing users to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk-around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.